quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Okay. Quack, quack, quack. Hello, welcome to a new vlog. As you can see, it's been raining. I thought we were done with the rains because for almost 2 weeks there was no trace of rain. But hey, the God of the universe, look at that. God have mercy. Some people when they are driving, they behave as if they've never walked in their life. They have never walked in the rain before. There is a pothole filled with water. Then at a top speed, he decided to splash the water on me. God have mercy. It is well. Okay, welcome to a new vlog. I trust you are doing well. It's a wet Tuesday. Yeah, it's a wet Tuesday. Weather is weather no. I just you are when I get to the office, or if something else comes up, I will hook you up. But in the meantime, I am walking, and I've been walking for almost 50 minutes now because it took us more time getting to Mommy's school because I was carrying her under the umbrella. We were walking. We don't have a car. I called the prayer, but he couldn't answer, so we had to walk, and I've been walking. I'm going to the main road to go and get a car to work. So far I'm at work. Yeah, we are at work. So I went to buy kenke. This is kenke 2 cedis. Let me show you fish 4 cedis. This is 2 cedis. And this one too is 2 cedis. So making 4 cedis. In one of my vlogs, I mentioned that it is advised that we eat heavy in the morning. For me, it works. For me, yeah, it works for me because when I eat in the morning, when I eat heavy in the morning, especially fufu, I can go all day without eating anything. And when I say anything, it will just be water. Yes, I have tried and tested, and it's proven. But if I take Milo, if I take cocoa, I will feel sleepy the next 20 minutes. If I take Milo, it will go and activate the hunger. If I take Milo, that is when I'll be hungry the more. So if it's Milo, it ought to be peche with bread, with egg. But even that, I know that I will have to eat again after say 30 minutes or an hour. The sugar will make me very hungry. That is why I don't go light with breakfast, because if I eat those things, it means that I am preparing myself to eat again in the next 1 or 2 hours. This can get them. I only invite it. Let's see, you are invited. Let's see, you are invited. All of you are not invited. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Clap for you now. And another one. And the last one. Chobium. My cylinder, I've exhausted the cylinders, blah blah blah. Finally, the last one gave up on us yesterday. Yesterday it rained from 11 a.m. to around 8 p.m. If I say it rained, then it rained heavily, and I was thanking God so much for the fact that we are no longer in our former place. That one, anytime it rains, I thank God. So back to what I was saying. The cylinder gave up on us. Nature was cooking rice, so she had to put it in a rice cooker to continue. Then later when I had to cook, I had to set the coal pot on fire so I could cook and also heat water. Cold water is so not me because of my body after bathing. Anytime I finish bathing, I have to dedicate about between 10 to 15 minutes to scratching of body. When it is intense, I have to use soap. I have to use a comb to do it. So because of that, I have to bath with hot water. If I say hot water, sometimes when I get out of the shower and another person enters, they ask, "Hey, where are you?" That is how I get to calm those nerves. I don't know what is there. I've taken it to hospital. They've cut my body, do whatever they want to do, but still the problem is there. No, we are one. I could do one city. All the mammy, let me do him. I'm missing me for me fashion rubber, Mamma. And I'm saying that there is also one city. Minimum commento. Nancy me talk to buy yes and minimum commento. A could you? I mean, I don't know what's wrong. How old they wouldn't come. Lady no me who no fi ha ko eti da yo okutu na me bi sa me won asike ya ne dia okutu fa ya no fa ya okutu ni na me se no me ana lady se si ana ni sika atofo o fe wi abra ne sister one city pa ya ma yeshe